Hey friend, have you ever wanted to make your own animated GIFs for your chat or social media? Well, I found the easiest way to do it using Canva, and it's total game changer. Whether you want to create something fun for your stories or add a little flair to your posts as well. Canva makes it super simple, no need for fancy software, just follow a few easy steps and you will have your own personalized GIFs in no time. Let me show you how it's seriously that easy. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video. I hope everything is doing well firstly, and in today's video I will show you the step by step how to create a GIF using canva.com. So the first step that you have to do, of course, which is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage of Canva. And firstly, as we know, let's just know what is Canva firstly before getting started off this platform that we don't know anything about it. So let's get started and know what is Canva firstly. So I will just explain you this point of the definition. Okay, so Canva is basically the super easy online design tool where you can create all kinds of cool stuff like social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. It's perfect for anyone, even if you don't have a background in design. Now, here is the fun part. You can also make animated GIFs on Canva. It's super simple. Just pick a design, add some animations, and boom. You have got your very own GIF to share with friends. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. So let's get started. All I have to do right now is just come back to the top right and you'll find two buttons, one of getting started and sign up. Also, you can just click over apply now and you will find here the option if you want to become a Canva representative here if you want. And you get started by adding your first name, your last name, and also other things here. Then you click over submit and you have to get started with Canva. And then you'll find other page, which is this one, as you can see. For the login, you click over login. We don't have these buttons here because I already have an account. This is my account and this is my profile, as you can see. Just right now to click over home. If you put in the same situation and you don't find the button of sign up and log in because you already have an account, you have just to click over home and you'll find either page, which is this one, as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just click over creating a design if you want by just selecting the size that you want. For example, width you select here 13 and about the height you select 8 or 13, and also you need to select here pixels, inches, millimeters, centimeters as well. Then you get started, or you can just right now click over here and you search for shift. I will just write, for example, shift like that, and you'll find a various templates that we want. For example, we have here some shifts here, as you can see, or you can just create your own. For example, I will just select this one, or this one is for, it's not for free because we have here the pro one, and I will just select someone that I like without paying anything. If you want to pay, you can just pay and you get started. For example, I will just click over this one and I will click over customize this template, and you'll find other page, which is this one, and this is the page that you have to download. So right now I will just here add a page, and then I will just delete the first one. And about this one I will select the timing firstly. But the timing I will select if it's a 10, 30, and also other things I will select, for example, 5 or 6 like that. And about the background I will select some backgrounds that are good. I will select, for example, here I will search for a background, or I will just firstly select other colors because I don't like red, and I will select, for example, this one. And then I will just click over here and I will say here gradient, as you can see, and I will select the one I think it's better. I will select this one, for example. I think it's better. Right now I will just go to the elements here and I will just scroll down and I will search for stickers like that, and I will just click over seal and we have our various stickers, as you can see, right? And right now you have just to come back and you search for something here, as you can see. So for example, I will select here the option of fish, and then you will find here all, and I will just go to graphics. Here we have also here other things if you want photos, frames, and we have also here videos. For example, I will select one of this one and I will just click over here and I will select, for example, let's select in, for example, this one, and I'll just here put in the same size, and as you can see I'll put it like that, and also in the right, in the left, all these things as you can see. Right now I will just add here about this one. I will just put it here in the 6 seconds as you can see. Then I will click over done, and here we have a 6 second. And right now I will just add something else, which is stickers, as I said. Okay, I will just go to the elements and I will just come back right now, and then I will just search for other things. For example, relaxing stickers, for example, like that. I will just search for cute stickers. You have here flower stickers, I6 stickers. You have just to search for something like that. So for example, I will just search here and I will select one of this, or you can just here select flower stickers, graphics, and we have here photos as well, videos if you want. I'll just come back here and I will select, for example, other things here. I will search, for example, here relaxing, for example, relaxing like that, and I will find here graphics. I will just select here graphics, and I will just select one of these. For example, I will select this one. It's just an example. I'll put it here as you can see. Then I will add here a text. For example, here I will just click over add a hidden, and I'll put it in the top, and I will modify also the size. For example, here I put it like that. And about the color, I will select, for example, the white one. I think it's better. And right now we'll add something, for example, here happy, be always happy, like that. Then I will also modify sorry, this one, put it bold. About this one, I put it here italic, and then here we have it how it looks right now. And you have just add other things if you want to, for example, upload something. For example, we have here the background, and then you can also add a page. You can also duplicate if you want. You can just lock the page. You can add other page to create other things, and you can also hear the option of recording yourself if you want. And we have other options that could help you a lot, such as drawing. I've just to select this one and to start drawing like that. And here we have it how it looks right now, right? So let's just click it over here to know how it looks. And here we have our chefs, as you can see. And you have just right now to close it and come back in, and you click over share in the top right, and you have just to click over download, and you have to select here the option of GIF, as you can see. And then I will just click over here to see how it looks, as you can see. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.